Hi, Monty here again with another one of my little odd jobs I did. I installed a rain barrel and purchased this from Amazon. Also purchased the Oatey diverter from Amazon and installed this last year. We have a drought here in Kansas. I have new plants installed and I'm not allowed to water them except one day a week. So that's why I put this in. Now I purchased this one because it was already ready. It had the spigot on it, it has the overflow on it, it has the screen to keep debris out that comes down the gutter, and it's ready to go. It's also a food grade barrel. It was used to ship olives over to the US from Greece. So there's no bad chemicals and things like that in it. It's a good safe barrel to use. 55-gallon capacity. Now when I installed this, I wanted to stand it up, put it up higher, so when I put a water jug underneath it, I can set it there, turn it on, and fill the water jug. So I needed it up off the ground some. The diverter, the Oatey diverter here, that's a very good design. It was easy to put in without having to move or dismantle the gutter. I just had to cut a piece out. And the diverter has a little lip that runs around the inside that catches the water that runs down the side of the gutter and diverts it into the rain barrel. And what's surprising about it is how efficient it is. If it's raining hard, and I'd say this gutter probably clears about 300 square feet of roof. I have 5 gutters altogether, or downspouts that is, and this one covers about 300 square feet. So when the water is running down through here, if it's running faster than the diverter can handle it, the rest of it goes down the spout. When it's raining real hard, I would say it probably catches about 20-25% and diverts it to the barrel. But during this winter, I had it empty because I don't want it to freeze, bust the barrel, bust the spigot, something like this. I set this up about 10 days ago, and we had a little rain. It was only about 1/3 of an inch over a long period of time. So when it's raining real slow like that, the water running down the downspout sticks to the downspout. It just runs down it instead of pouring in it. I'd say that it probably caught about 90% of it, because 1/3 of an inch of rain, I came out to see how much was in the barrel and it was full. So it put 50 gallons of water in, very little bit of rain. I was surprised. This spruce was transplanted last August, and look at all the new growth on it. It's coming out, it's doing great. So despite the drought, having the rain barrel and to keep it watered is great. And from the looks of it, I'd have to say there's nothing like good old rain. So far, it works great. You see I've got it tied down because in the wintertime, 50-60 mile an hour winds that we get around here sometimes, this thing would be halfway to Oklahoma if I didn't have it strapped down. That's it.